Clean wiring work starts with the right tool. Whether you are handling electrical installations, automotive repairs, or weekend DIY projects, a dependable wire stripper can save time and improve accuracy. In this countdown, we review 5 impressive wire strippers that combine precision, durability, and user-friendly design to help you achieve professional quality results with confidence and ease. Starting our list at number 5 is the FSD5T wire stripping pliers, a versatile tool designed to simplify electrical work by combining multiple functions into one compact package. Instead of carrying separate tools for stripping, cutting, and crimping, users can complete a wide range of tasks with a single efficient device. One of the most useful features is its automatic wire stripping capability, which supports wires ranging from 22 to 7 American wire gauge. This broad compatibility makes it suitable for both delicate wiring jobs and heavier electrical applications. The built-in yellow positioning stopper helps maintain accurate wire alignment, ensuring that every strip is clean, straight, and consistent. The adjustable stripping length and pressure settings provide excellent control. This allows users to customize performance based on wire type and insulation thickness, helping prevent damage to sensitive conductors. For professionals handling repetitive tasks, this feature can significantly improve efficiency while maintaining precision. Cutting performance is equally impressive. The precision ground blades create smooth, clean cuts, while the integrated cutter handles wires up to 4 mm in diameter with minimal effort. The crimping function also performs reliably across multiple terminal sizes, securing connections firmly without distorting the connector. Comfort remains a strong advantage. The ergonomic soft grip handle reduces hand fatigue during extended projects, while the curved lever mechanism increases leverage and lowers the amount of force required for operation. A compact head design allows easier access in confined spaces, and the safety lock provides secure storage when the tool is not in use. For users seeking versatility, convenience, and dependable performance, the FSD5T offers excellent value in a compact and practical design. Taking the 4th position is the KLD9 wire stripper, a multifunctional tool built for users who need dependable performance across a variety of electrical and repair applications. Combining stripping and cutting functions into a durable package, this tool is engineered to deliver precision while maintaining long-term reliability. Constructed from chromium vanadium alloy steel, the KLD9 is designed to withstand frequent use in demanding environments. The material provides excellent durability and strength, making it a dependable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. Its ductile-style head improves control and visibility, helping users handle wires more accurately during detailed tasks. A standout feature is the adjustable stripping length system. Equipped with a clear double-sided measurement scale, the tool allows stripping lengths between 8 and 12 mm. This flexibility helps ensure consistent results across different projects. The automatic stripping mechanism further enhances efficiency by removing insulation quickly while minimizing the risk of damaging the conductor underneath. The integrated flat wire cutter adds another layer of functionality. Designed to cut wires up to 2.5 square millimeters, the upward blade configuration provides smooth and controlled cutting performance. This thoughtful design reduces effort while improving precision, making repetitive work more comfortable and productive. User comfort is also a priority. The bent ergonomic handle promotes a natural grip position, reducing strain during extended periods of use. Better leverage translates into improved control, allowing users to work more confidently and efficiently. Compact, practical, and versatile, the KLD9 fits easily into any toolkit while remaining capable of handling a wide range of applications. For users who value durability, ease of use, and consistent performance, this wire stripper delivers a well-balanced combination of features that make everyday electrical tasks significantly easier. At number 3, we have the LAOA LA815238, an automatic wire stripping tool that successfully combines stripping, cutting, and crimping functions into a compact and highly capable design. Built with versatility in mind, It serves both professional electricians and technical enthusiasts who require reliable performance across various wiring tasks. One of its biggest strengths is the wide stripping range, supporting wires from 8 to 26 American wire gauge. The self-adjusting mechanism automatically adapts to wire size, eliminating much of the guesswork associated with manual adjustment. This feature not only speeds up workflow but also ensures consistent stripping quality across different wire types and thicknesses. Crimping capability is another area where this tool shines. It supports terminals ranging from 10 to 22 American wire gauge and also accommodates 7 to 8 mm ignition terminals frequently found in automotive systems. Whether working on electrical installations, vehicle repairs, or maintenance projects, users benefit from greater flexibility without needing additional specialized tools. Durability is enhanced through chrome vanadium alloy steel jaws that provide excellent hardness and wear resistance. These robust jaws are paired with a high-tension internal steel spring that delivers dependable stripping force and smooth operation over extended periods of use. The result is a tool built to maintain performance even under demanding working conditions. The LAOA LA815238 is compatible with sheath wires, core wires, and multi-strand cables, making it suitable for a broad range of projects. Its ergonomic design improves comfort and handling, helping reduce fatigue while maintaining precise control. For users seeking a versatile all-in-one solution with dependable construction and impressive adaptability, this model earns its place among the top wire strippers available in 2026. Claiming the second spot is the Deli DL2017 wire stripper, a multifunctional tool that combines durability, precision, and user comfort into one highly practical package. Designed for demanding electrical applications, this model is built to handle a wide variety of wiring tasks with efficiency and reliability. Its construction is one of the first features that stands out. Manufactured from chromium molybdenum vanadium material, the tool offers impressive hardness and toughness. This durable build allows it to withstand frequent use while maintaining performance, making it a strong choice for both professionals and serious DIY users. Versatility is another major advantage. The Deli DL2017 works with flat cables, sheath wires, core wires, and multi-strand cables. Its automatic stripping function simplifies repetitive work by delivering clean and consistent results with minimal effort. This feature can significantly improve productivity, especially during large installation or repair projects. The sharp cutting edge provides precise cuts while reducing resistance during operation. This helps streamline workflow and creates cleaner results across a range of wire types. In addition, the built-in crimping capability further expands the tool's usefulness, reducing the need to switch between multiple tools. A particularly valuable feature is the adjustable stripping force control. Through an integrated adjustment nut, users can fine-tune pressure according to the wire material and insulation thickness. This level of customization helps prevent slipping, incomplete stripping, and accidental conductor damage. Comfort is equally well addressed. The straight ergonomic handle incorporates an anti-slip grip that improves stability and control. Combined with the balanced overall design, it reduces hand fatigue and supports precise operation during extended use. Securing the top position is the LAOA LA82510, a fully automatic wire stripping tool engineered for users who demand speed, precision, and consistent performance. Combining advanced functionality with user-friendly operation, this model stands out as one of the most capable wire strippers available for 2026. The first thing that makes this tool exceptional is its impressive stripping range, accommodating wires from 30 to 8 American wire gauge. Thanks to its automatic adjustment system, the tool quickly adapts to different wire sizes without requiring constant manual changes. This feature greatly improves efficiency, especially when working with multiple wire types during larger projects. Versatility is another major strength. The LA82510 handles flat wires, single-stranded conductors, and multi-stranded cables with ease. Its specialized clamping tooth design grips insulation securely, allowing fast and clean removal while protecting the wire core from unnecessary damage. This level of precision is especially valuable in delicate electrical applications where accuracy is critical. Cutting performance is equally noteworthy. Equipped with a high-hardness SK5 steel blade, the tool delivers clean and consistent cuts on copper wires up to 2.3 mm in diameter. By combining stripping and cutting functions into one streamlined design, it helps users complete tasks faster while reducing the need for additional equipment. Comfort receives equal attention. The handle combines ABS and thermoplastic rubber materials to provide a secure and comfortable grip. The elastic adjustment switch located on the head allows easy adaptation to different wire thicknesses, ensuring smooth operation with minimal effort. When used as intended on insulated wires and non-live applications, the LAOA LA22510 offers exceptional reliability, convenience, and precision. Its combination of automatic functionality, durable construction, and outstanding performance makes it our top wire stripper recommendation for 2026. That concludes our review of the 5 best wire strippers for 2026. Each model offers unique strengths, from advanced automatic stripping systems to durable multifunction performance. Share your favorite choice in the comments, and subscribe for more expert tool reviews, buying guides, and practical recommendations for professionals and DIY enthusiasts.